Today we are going to do aeroplane pose, or we can say kite pose. In Sanskrit it is called Patangasan. Okay, I'm going to show first and then we go together. Okay, can you come this side? Very good. So in aeroplane pose, we come in front of the mat. Raise your both arm up. Inhale. As you exhale, bend forward and bring your right leg behind. Take your own time. Understand your body and look front. Try to balance. If you think I'm struggling to balance, what you can do, focus on one point. Okay, very important. Balancing asana, we have to focus on one point. So let's start. So look front, and try to balance. Slowly coming back. Okay, I will show one more time with different angle. So again coming front of the mat, raising this time left side. So raising my left leg, bringing my both hands parallel and try to look front. The leg is 90 degrees to the floor. So like aeroplane, I am flying in the sky and coming back. Okay, do you want to do with us? Okay, let's stand up, come look at me. Bring your both hands parallel, breathe in, bend your body front, raise your right leg up, lift it, bend your body more, lift more, yes, look front, very good Vivan, very good, coming back. Now turn to this side, we do one more time, raising your both the arms up, breathe in, bend forward, lift your this leg this time, lift it more, look front, very good, coming back. It's okay, if you can't do the position, it's absolutely fine, you have to keep trying, okay? Every day you have to practice, you can improve your position. But why we have to do this position, aeroplane pose? It's very useful, strengthening our body, legs, thighs, arms, shoulder, neck and spine. Very good for hips as well, alignment of your body, it's very good. Again, it's good for you to improve your neuromuscular coordination, motor coordination. Good. And this is very useful to increase our focus. Every time mother told, concentrate, focus. So this all balancing asanas are very useful to increase our concentration. So keep practicing yoga with us. Yes, Vivan?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.